In today's video, you will learn how to create dripping effect in Adobe Photoshop. Start by creating a new document. Once your canvas is ready, head over to the Layers panel and create a gradient adjustment layer. Change the style from linear to radial so the light spreads naturally from the center. Then open the gradient editor and choose the basic black to white gradient. After that, replace the black color with red. You can use any color you want here depending on the mood or style you're going for. A brighter color usually gives a stronger visual impact. Next, place your main portrait image into the document and position it properly on the canvas. After that, grab any selection tool from the toolbar and click Select Subject. Photoshop will automatically detect the person in the image. Once the selection is complete, create a layer mask so the background disappears cleanly. This helps the subject blend perfectly into the design. Now place the dripping liquid image into the project. Resize and position it so the dripping lines match naturally with the portrait. Lowering the fill temporarily can help you align both images more accurately before continuing. Once everything lines up correctly, select the Magic Wand tool and click on the black background of the dripping image. Right-click and choose Similar to select all matching black areas, then delete them. After that, go to the Select menu and choose Inverse so only the dripping effect remains selected. Select the layer mask and grab the brush tool. Make sure your foreground color is black, then set the brush hardness to 100%. Carefully paint over any unwanted parts of the dripping effect to clean up the edges and make the blend look more realistic. When that's finished, create a new layer and turn it into a clipping mask. Using the brush tool again, set the foreground color to black, reduce the flow to 4%, and lower the hardness to 0%. Softly paint over the dripping areas to darken them slightly and add more depth. This subtle shading makes the liquid effect feel more dimensional and natural. Finally, create another new layer for the shadow. Sample the darkest color from the clothing and paint a soft shadow underneath the dripping effect. Then enlarge the shadow slightly to create a smoother and more realistic finish. And that's how you create an amazing dripping effect in Photoshop with clean blending, depth, and realistic shadows.